To open a door with some of the lesser tools like a bobby pin and a paper clip. So I'll get started. While we wait for me to open the door, I'll show you how it works, because in the video my hands are a little in the way, so I'll show you with these. It's the same principle as the door, but the door takes a little longer. So this is your tension wrench, and this is your pick. Okay. Scrape the pins until you feel the click and you know that it's about to turn. That's exactly what the door does when it's done. And then it's open. And the door would turn about a full half turn, and then you turn it back and it's open. So, to kill some time until I'm finished with the door, I'll do it one more time. Okay, let's get back to the door. There we go, I got it. Okay, see, it's been... Oh my god, it's gold.